Sorry.
Do you just want me to hold it?
No.
There.
No. Today's the news.
Hello.
Hollow. And today we are calling for a severe chance of tornadoes.
Sorry, I'm hungry. Deal with it.
Tornadoes and then after that we will be having some hail.
Not to our weatherman Forrest.
Yes, and I shall show you what I mean by hail.
Forrest, that is hail. It's heavy rain.
Well, what I mean by heavy rain, our trampoline is soaked.
Forrest, don't do that.
And then we have that right there. Yes, that. And then we have all of our plants getting soaked.
Forrest, they don't care.
And then we have a fishy in there. Okay, back to the newscast with Willow.
Here, just give me the camera. Forrest, you're a horrible camera.
I got it.
Today, as you can see, we've experienced some heavy rain. There's a tornado warning in the following areas: Butler, Newcastle, and other ones that I don't know the name of. Greensburg, and Plum. Try to keep a straight face right now. And others that I don't know the name of or just don't care about.
Back to me.
Back to Forrest.
Yeah. And now we have very high chances of a thunderstorm happening right now. Oh, look, sun is about to come back out. Good. It's all good.
That's a lie. That's a big fat lie.
It's all Gucci. It's all